Alright, I'm gonna make a quick video on washer machine that doesn't agitate. Washer machine is working, but this piece right here doesn't really spin like it's supposed to when the clothes are in there washing. So for this one I ordered these little washer agitator dogs, these little things right here. What you want to do is remove this cap. There's needle nose pliers. Let's take this off. There's a screw in there. It's what size is it? 7/8, 7/16. I already got it loose. Let's take this off. Should be able to pull this right out. Just yank on it. And this piece in here with these little dogs. Let's put this over here. Got the screw in the middle. Take that out. It's got 4 of them on this one. So all you want to do is you just take a little screwdriver right here. I'm gonna pry this up. Let me see if I can set this camera down somewhere. Got these 2 little black things that clip on, so just take a screwdriver, kind of like pry it up both sides. Just do all sides, come out like that. Just make sure you put this back the same way you got it out. This is the agitator dogs. They got some little grooves on here that catches on the inside of those little teeth right there. These little teeth that goes around. These little dogs grab onto it, so to focus on there. But these little teeth on here, they warn. Now this, make sure this is the same. Put them in the same way you got them out. So just slide them right into the groove. Take out the other one. Slide this back on. That should only go on one way. You can feel it. Make sure it snaps in. I got all the agitator thingies in there. The screw back in there. A little bit dirty. Put that in there. This got a piece over here too. You gotta make sure you sit it in there and twist it, it'll fall in. Put this back over there. Feels like it has to snap in more. Let me just take this out and then put this in here. Something's not right here. A little bit dirty in there. It looks like it's sitting there okay now. Just put this in there, twist it around, you'll feel it fall in. And you just take your little 7/16 socket. Hold the bottom when I screw this on. Just put it nice and snug. You don't want to break it. Now we're spinning the bottom once you go like that. Put this right back in. Oh, this is kind of a little bit dirty. I'm gonna just rinse this real quick. There we go. It'll just build up from the downy when you pour the downy in here. Make sure you push it down, it snaps in. Now it's catching. Now it'll agitate. I think I paid $5 for this on Amazon. Compatible with a couple of different brands. This one is Maytag. There you go. Thanks for watching.